Hey Team Creative Design, welcome back guys. Today we are doing another What's Up Wednesday, and today's topic is a little different. Today we're going to be talking about how to be successful on YouTube, how to grow your YouTube subscribers, and in the process, if you're uncomfortable with people seeing your number of subscribers, I'm also going to give you a little information at the end of the video on how you can hide your YouTube subscribers. But the main point of this video is to just talk about what I feel the true key is to being successful on YouTube. And yes guys, I'm a new YouTuber and you're probably saying, so why should I watch her? Because sometimes it's difficult to watch someone who's already succeeded in something. The best thing to do is to get with someone who's growing with you, because I understand your pain guys. It is not easy to grow out here on the platform today. So yes, I'm growing with you. We're going to grow together. We're going to be successful together. So guys, give me a few minutes of your time. We're going to jump right into the video, and I'm just going to give you my perspective and what I think the key thing is to being successful on YouTube. So let's jump right in. Okay guys, so let's get comfortable. Grab your favorite snack. Let's talk about YouTube. Of course, when you're getting ready to go onto the platform, just like you start any other goal, you start doing all of this research. You start worrying about equipment and what you can do to be successful. So there are a lot of things that people post in videos. You see 1,000 videos on your content needs to be good. You need to have good editing. You need to have good lighting. You need to be persistent in when you post. And yes, all of those things are very, very important, guys. But for me doing my research, and I'm sure with you doing your research, you found you cannot measure your success on the YouTube platform by anyone else. Someone could get on YouTube and be successful in 2 months and have 1,000 subscribers, and it may take someone else 2 years. But guys, here is the key. Just like with anything that we do, we have to be persistent and we have to be patient. It takes time to reach your goals sometimes. Your realization for your goal is not going to come at the same time someone else has come, especially with the YouTube platform. And guys, what I found and what I thought about is right now after the pandemic, the YouTube platform has grown tremendously because people have had time on their hands. So if you're looking at a YouTuber who started 3 years ago or even 2 years ago, they may have realized their goal a whole lot faster than you are, because I'm not going to say it's saturated, but there are a lot of other YouTubers out here now. So guys, we can make it, we can grow together, but you have to be persistent, you have to be patient. Yes, you have to do your research and you have to implement a lot of those things to make sure that your channel grows the way you want it to grow. But if you're like me, what you have to do is decide you're going to make this happen, you're going to make it work, and you just have to be persistent. I've always been a person that when I start something, I make sure that I keep going until I achieve my goal. And guys, we're going to grow together in this, and we are going to be successful. So one of the things I've decided to do for myself that I mentioned in the beginning of the video is to hide my YouTube subscribers. Number one, this may not be good for everybody. There are pros and cons. There are pros because people can't see your subscribers. So when they log into your videos, they don't automatically become biased and say, oh, well, this person doesn't have a lot of subscribers, so their content may not be good, and pass by your video. But another thing is it does not allow people to see your growth. So you have to decide how you want to do this. I've decided to hide mine for a couple of purposes for the time being. Just because I want people to be open-minded when they see my videos and give my content a chance. And it also stops me from visually, when I'm clicking on my channel, from visually seeing consistently how many subscribers I have, because I don't want to worry about my subscribers. I don't want to focus on that. I want to focus on good content. I want to focus on my goal, and I want to focus on growing. Ultimately, the number of subscribers and watch time does determine that. But guys, at the end of the day, whether it's someone trying to get 1,000 subscribers, 10,000 subscribers, or 1 million subscribers, we all have goals. And when you realize one goal, you move on to the next. So the best thing is to stay focused. Stay focused, be persistent, and keep going. If you get knocked down, it's okay. You're going to have rough days. You're going to have days that you don't feel like uploading content, but you have to find somebody to be your cheerleader and say, you know what, it's okay. That happens in life. That happens with everything. It's time to come back, keep pushing, and keep going. And that's what we're going to do, guys. So if you guys are interested in seeing more videos like this, if you just want someone to be on your team, I need support as well. Drop comments below. We can support each other. So to all you new YouTubers, welcome to the platform. You can do this. For people who are out there who have been successful, thank you for your inspiration. Your growth inspires me daily. I hope that I can be as successful as you are. And so, guys, I'm going to end right there with, you know, what I think is key. And I'm going to jump right into the aspect of showing you. And I'm going to go to my computer screen and just show you a quick method of how to hide your YouTube subscribers. Think about if this works for you. You can try it over the course of a couple of weeks, a month, and if you get more subscribers and you feel like it's working, fine. If you feel like it's not the thing for you, you can change it back at any time. So I hope this video has been inspiring, encouraging, and I hope it's been helpful, guys. Until next time, stay blessed, and we are going to grow together. So here we go, a quick walkthrough. It'll take just a few seconds. So you go to your YouTube page, and you want to click on your YouTube Studio account. Once you click there, you go over to your settings at the bottom left hand corner. Then you click on channel, and once you click on channel, you click on advanced settings. And then if you scroll down to the bottom, you will see here it says display the number of people subscribed to my channel. Once you click this box and save it, it will remove that from your home screen. You can always check yours. As you see here, mine is showing. It's in my YouTube Studio, so it still allows you to see it from your YouTube Studio account. So guys, again, I hope this is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know if this content was inspirational, and I will see you guys next time.